Welcome to Appliance Factory Reviews. As always, I'm your host, Richard Hughes. Today, we're going to be doing a color versus a color. We're going to be taking a look at the Sunset Bronze from Whirlpool and comparing it to the Tuscan stainless steel from Samsung. So, there's a winner in this, in my opinion. So, the Tuscan stainless steel from Samsung is gorgeous. It is a standout. So it looks very similar to the black stainless steel that you're seeing in the market, but has a hint of bronze to it. It's not a color that stands out. It doesn't throw itself at you, but it does a great job of bringing a metallic sheen into this bronze color, this kind of blackish stainless steel. You're gonna have to come in and actually take a look at it with your own eyes because pictures and video just don't do it justice. Compared to the Sunset Bronze, which now when you see it against the Tuscan stainless steel, sadly enough, looks a little bit yellow. Now, in the right kitchen, the Sunset Bronze is definitely a color to take a look at, and there's nothing wrong with it, but when you put them side by side, depending on your kitchen, that Tuscan stainless steel is the winner in my opinion. Now, overall, both colors are kind of entering into this color war that we're seeing as you've got matte blacks from GE, you've got black stainless steel, Tuscan Bronze, Sunset Bronze, champagnes and washers and dryers. So color's becoming a thing. Now you got to remember something, guys. That color matters to you. You got to come in, you got to take a look between all of the different colors because everyone is different. My wife actually prefers the Sunset Bronze over the Tuscan stainless steel, so it really depends on the kitchen itself. So remember, come in, take a look, but as always, hit that like button, subscribe to our channel, and we'll see you next time.